Blah, blah, blah.
Here's where I keep my... That won't do me any good. That air shaft looks like it may lead to the Restructolux room. I wonder how I can get down there. Tell me again. That's the Spy Gadget vending machine. That's the Spy Gadget... That's the Spy Gadget... That's the Spy Gadget... Those are the spy skates. That's the Spy Gadget vending machine. That's the Spy Gadget... That's the Spy Gadget vending... I sure hope that evil dogbot doesn't notice that hydrant anytime soon. I just took a shower. Trick or treat. Whew, that fan really sucks. I can't do anything with that fan on. I've got to make it down to the Restructolux. I hope the Cod's special cape will do the trick, or it's Fox Pancake for me. Here goes. Whew, lost the cape, but the Fox stays intact. This must be LaRoche's laboratory. I bet he creates all sorts of evil contraptions here.
Everything on sticks. Food of the future.
That Restructolux looks familiar. I bet it will help me to piece this mystery together. I'll leave the door unlocked in case I need to go back there.